Dear students, today I want to discuss some important problems. I have already solved problem image of a point with respect to a plane, and now in this video we want to solve image of a point with respect to a line. These two problems are very important, not very important, but if you will go through the questions of previous years, then you will find that this question was asked alternate year. So, or after gap of 2 years. So, my dear students, now I want to discuss how you solve this problem. And this problem is not a single problem, but it is the combination of so many small problems. Given equation of line in vector form is vector r is equal to vector minus I cap plus 3j cap plus k cap plus lambda 2I cap plus 3j cap minus k cap. Now equation of line in Cartesian form is x plus 1 by 2 plus y minus 3 by 3 plus z minus 1 by minus 1. This is the direction ratio. And in this problem, it is given that find the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular and the length of the perpendicular drawn from the point to the line. Vector r is equal to minus I plus 3j plus k and lambda times 2I plus 3j minus k. This is the equation of the line. So, first we find the equation of the here line first, which is given. Now we convert in the form of Cartesian form. Now we find the general point on the line first. X is equal to 2k minus 1, y is equal to 3k plus 2 and z is equal to minus k plus 1. My dear student, here on this line first there are so many points. So we find the coordinates of the point in term of lambda, because r is only one point at which PR is perpendicular on the line. So here general point on the given line is 2k minus 1, 2k plus 3 minus k plus 1. Now we want to find the direction ratios of PR. Let P be the foot of perpendicular drawn from the point P 5, 4, 2 on the given line. Point R lies on the given line. Then coordinates of R are 2k minus 1, 3k plus 3 minus k plus 1 for some value of k. So direction ratios of line PR is 2k minus 1 minus 5, 2k plus 3 minus 4, minus k plus 1 minus 2, that is 2k minus 6, 3k minus 1 and minus k minus 1. For your convenient, here we consider A1 is equal to 2k minus 6, B1 is equal to 2k minus 3, C1 is equal to minus k minus 1. Direction ratios of the given lines are 2, 3, minus 1. So A2 is equal to 2, B2 is equal to 3 and C2 is equal to minus 1. Since PR is perpendicular to the given line, therefore A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 is equal to 0. Now it will be 2k minus 6 into 2, 3k minus 1 into 3, minus k minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to 0. So 4k minus 12 plus 9k minus 3 plus k plus 1 is equal to 0. That is 14k minus 14 is equal to 0. That is 14k is equal to 14. So k is equal to 1. In this way, we can solve this problem. Now by putting value of k, we find the coordinates of foot of the perpendicular r. So length of perpendicular PR is equal to square root of 1 minus 5 square plus 6 minus 4 square plus 0 minus 2 square, that is root 24. Let Q alpha beta gamma be the image of the point P 5, 4, 2 in the line. Then the coordinates of R is 1, 6, 0 is the midpoint of PQ. Also coordinate of midpoint of PQ are 5 plus alpha by 2, 4 plus beta by 2, 2 plus gamma by 2. So 5 plus alpha by 2 is equal to 1. So the value of alpha is equal to minus 3. 4 plus beta by 2 is equal to 6. So beta is equal to 8. And 2 plus gamma is equal to 2 is equal to 0. So gamma is equal to 0. So my dear student, hence the required image of the point is minus 3, 8, comma minus 2. Minus 3, minus 8, minus 3, 8 and comma 0 will be the image of the point. So in this way we can calculate the image of a point with respect to a line. Now problem number 2. A line passing through the point A with position vector A is equal to 4i plus 2j plus 2k is parallel to the vector B 2i plus 3j plus 6k. Find the length of perpendicular drawn on this line from a point P with position vector r1 is equal to I plus 2j plus 3k. Given vector B is equal to 2i plus 3j plus 6k. Direction ratios of B are 2, 3, 6. Since the required line is parallel to vector B, therefore direction ratios of the required line are 2k, 3k, 6k, that is 2, 3, 6. Also given that the required line in Cartesian form is x minus 4 by 2, y minus 2 by 3 and z minus 2 by 6. Now x minus 4 by 2 is equal to y minus 2 by 3 is equal to z minus 2 by 6 is equal to k. So now general point on this line is x is equal to 2k plus 4, y is equal to 3k plus 2 and z is equal to 6k plus 2. So now also a point with position vector r1 is equal to I plus 2j plus 3k. That is coordinate of P is 1, 2, 3. Let R be the foot of the perpendicular drawn from the point P that is 1, 2, 3 on the given line. Then coordinate of R are 2k plus 4, 3k plus 2, 6k plus 2. For some k, direction ratios of line PR is 2k plus 4 minus 1, 3k plus 2 minus 2, 6k plus 2 minus 3 and this is 2k plus 3, 3k, 6k minus 1. Now consider here A1 is equal to 2k plus 3, B1 is equal to 3k, C1 is equal to 6k minus 1. Also direction ratios of the given lines are 2, 3, 6. A2 is equal to 2, B2 is equal to 3, C2 is equal to 6. So PR is perpendicular to the given line. So A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 is equal to 0. By putting the value of A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2, we have 49k is equal to 0. So k is equal to 0. So now putting k is equal to 1 in first we have the coordinates of R as R 1, 6, 0. Therefore the length of perpendicular 1 minus 5 whole square plus 6 minus 4 whole square plus 0 minus 2 whole square and it will be root 24 units. So now this question number 3 is very long question and it was asked in Foreign Set 2016. So this is the combination of so many problems. That's I here discussed. Given equation of planes are x plus 2y plus 3z minus 4 and 2x plus y minus z plus 5 is equal to 0. Since that the required plane passes through the line of intersection of both the planes, so it will be x plus 2y plus 3z minus 4 plus lambda times of 2x plus 4y, 2x plus y minus z plus 5 is equal to 0. To get intercept on x-axis, we put y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0. You know this clue. And we have x minus 4 plus lambda time of 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. And this will be x is equal to 4 minus 5 lambda, 2 lambda plus 1. Also the intercept on z-axis, we put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. And z is equal to 4 minus 5 lambda by 3 minus lambda. This is very, very important. This you should know. Now according to question, 4 minus 5 lambda by 2 lambda plus 1 is equal to 2 times of 4 minus 5 lambda, 3 minus 5 lambda. And after solving, we have lambda is equal to 4 by 5 and lambda is equal to 1 by 5. Now by putting lambda is equal to 4 by 5 in equation first, we have x plus 2y plus 3z minus 4 plus 4 by 5 and 2x plus y minus z plus 5 is equal to 0. And after solving, it will be 13x plus 14y plus 11z is equal to 0. 13x plus 14y plus 11z is equal to 0. And now, if we put the value of lambda is equal to 1 by 5, lambda is equal to 1 by 5, we get this equation. 7x plus 11y plus 14z minus 15 is equal to 0. Now direction ratios of normal to the plane are 13, 14, 11. And x1 is equal to 2, y1 is equal to 3 and z1 is equal to minus 1. a1 is equal to 13, b1 is equal to 14 and c1 is equal to 11. Here, see this. 13, 14, 11. This is the action ratio of the plane. Now direction ratio of normal to the plane are 13, 14 and 11. And let x1 is equal to 2, y1 is equal to 3, z1 is equal to minus 1. a1 is equal to 13, b1 is equal to 14 and c1 is equal to 11. And it will be a into x minus x1, b into y minus y1, c into z minus z1 is equal to 0. And that is 13 into x minus 2, 14 into y minus 3, 11 into z plus 1. So 13x plus 14y plus 11z is equal to 57, which can be written in vector form as vector r, 13i plus 14j plus 11k is equal to 57. Also direction ratio of the normal to the required plane are 7, 11, 14. So x1 is equal to 2, y1 is equal to 3, z1 is equal to minus 1. And a1 is equal to 7, b1 is equal to 11 and c1 is equal to 14. The equation of the required plane is a into x minus x1 plus b1 y minus y1 c z minus z1 is equal to 0. So it will be 7 into x minus 2 plus 11 into y minus 3 plus 14 into z plus 1, and after solving it will be 7x plus 11y plus 4z is equal to 23. In this way you can solve this problem. Now problem number 4 and 5 are very, very important. This is also important, but it is a very long problem. It is a very long problem. So you must do this problem. Very long problem, problem number 3. So now, I want to solve some problems on intercept form also. A variable plane moves in such a way that the sum of reciprocal of its intercepts on 3 coordinate axes is constant, so that the plane passes through a fixed point. Since equation of plane having intercept a, b, c on the coordinate axis is x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1. Also 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c is equal to k. It is given in this question. What is given in this question? A variable plane moves in such a way that the sum of reciprocal of its intercept on 3 coordinate axes. This is the 1 by a is intercept. 1 by b, 1 by c is equal to k. So 1 by a k plus 1 by b k plus 1 by c k is equal to 1. Take common 1 by a, 1 by k plus 1 by b, 1 by k, 1 by c plus 1 by k is equal to 1. On comparing first and second, we get x is equal to 1 by k, y is equal to 1 by k, z is equal to 1 by k. This shows that the plane passes through a fixed point 1k by 1k by 1k. A plane meets coordinate axis in capital A, capital B, capital C, such that the centroid of triangle ABC is the alpha, beta, gamma. So that the equation of the plane is x by alpha plus y by beta plus z by gamma is equal to 3. Since equation of plane having intercept a, b, c on the coordinate axis is x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1. Given that plane meets the coordinate axis in a, b, c, the coordinate of ABC are a, 0, 0, 0, b, 0, 0, 0, c respectively. Given that centroid of the triangle is alpha, beta, gamma. So alpha is equal to a by 3. Alpha is equal to a by 3. B by 3 is equal to gamma, and c by 3 beta, and c by 3 is equal to gamma. So a is equal to 3 alpha, b is equal to 3 gamma, b is equal to 3 beta, and c is equal to 3 gamma. Putting this value of a, b, c in first, we get the equation of the required plane is x by 3a, y by 3b plus z by 3 gamma is equal to 1. That is x by alpha plus y by beta plus z by gamma is equal to 3. So my dear student, problem number 5 was very, very important. And problem number 6 are also important. Prove that if a plane has the intercept ABC and at a distance of p unit from the origin, then 1 by a square plus 1 by b square plus 1 by c square is equal to 1 by p square. We know that equation of plane having intercept ABC on the coordinate axis is x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1. It will be 1 by a into x plus 1 by b into y plus 1 by c into z is equal to 1. Minus 1 is equal to 0. So now, also given that the distance between the point from 0, 0 to the given plane is 1 by a, x के जगह 0 बैठा दो, 1 by b 0 plus 1 by c 0 minus 1. And after solving, we have 1 by a square plus 1 by b square plus 1 by c is equal to p square. So in this way, you can solve this problem. My dear student, here I want to give you suggestion that these are the very, very important problems. You must do this problem frequently. Then only you can solve this problem. आप एक स्ट्रेटेजी बनाओ, जब भी इमेज पढ़ो तो प्लेन के रिस्पेक्ट में और लाइन के रिस्पेक्ट में दोनों को रिवीजन करो। 1/4 से अधिक काम हो गया। इसको बनाते बनाते बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे सवाल को भी हम बना सकते हैं, और आप बनाए। प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, इस तरह आज हम अब प्लेन ख़त्म करते हैं तत्काल, और आपको वीडियो भेजता हूं, आज अपलोड कर रहा हूं। आप अब देख कर रखिएगा और कल डिस्कस करेंगे। थैंक यू वेरी मच।